Oh my god. Oh my god. You're really serious.
Crown, that's a jam. That's a jam.
Guys, we still have lights and I'm excited. I thank God for that. Can you imagine 10,000 naira? I went to buy something 10,000 naira. How much is left? 3,000. $35. I'm grateful. Thank you for the money I spent. So I got some food stuff. Like I want to, since we don't have lights, I haven't been able to cook. So tomorrow I want to try and see if I can, cook something tomorrow. because I've been buying food all the time and half of my money is gone. And then I bought food. I bought street food. I'm gonna eat. We still have lights, thank God. Thank you, God. Hi Minion. Today is Saturday and we still have lights, thank God. So today I don't really have much to do. I have hair appointment today. I'm going to make my hair. I have been looking like my problems and I have to do my nails, my lashes and my hair. And what else? So we don't have lights, so I haven't been able to like prep or cook anything for like a long period of time. So today I just want to quickly make something little. I'm going to make egusi and ogbono soup, like those two. So it's going to be easy for me. I'm going to reduce the cost of me buying food outside all the time. Yeah, so basically I think that's what I will do. But first thing first, I need to journal because we're in day what exactly? I think today should be 12. Yeah, we're in day 12 of me journaling for 30 days and I'm grateful for that. So far I have been able to journal my thoughts and it has really been helping me. It has made my head and my mind light. Like I don't think that deep anymore, like not crazy. Like I take life light, like it's not that deep anymore. Yeah, so after journaling I'll dive into the kitchen and it's like it's 9 something and I have to be fast because obviously I have to be there before 12. Yeah, so hi guys, plan change. I thought I was going to like cook before I go and make my hair, but she called me and asked me to be on my way ASP because she has a lot of people. So now I'm all dressed and yeah, I'm going to make my hair. Guys, I just got back home and no lights. So this is my hair, looking cute and it's eating. Is it painful? Yes. Beauty is pain. Beauty is pain. Beauty is pain, guys. Beauty is pain. And look at my nails. You guys standing here. Upstairs. I love my hair so much. Oh, it's painful. It is.